Shenzhen, Renhotec Technology Electronics Company Limited, established in 2015, is a global large-scale production enterprise located in Guangdong Province with convenient transportation. We are specializing in the production of aviation connector and cables, which is committed to being the world's leading manufacturer in electronic connectors and industrial cables. We have researched and developed these products more than 20 series, 5,000 varieties. These products have been widely sold to many countries and regions in the world, which is mainly used for outdoor lighting, automation machinery, new energy vehicles, charging equipment, electricity generation facility, and other industries. We also can support OEM, ODM, and customized related products. All products have owned American UL, German TUV, Europe CE, ROHS certification, and held a number of design patent. Our company has production workshop with area of 20,000 square meters, more than 300 employees, 30 international advanced production lines, tens of precision testing equipment, and have constructed a specialized laboratory for product research and development. Excellent appearance designing, reliable quality, good service, and rapid technical supporting help us win a large number of customers in China and overseas market. Our company has now become the leading technology and scale enterprise in connector field. We had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.